Hallo Mundharmonica Freunde, hola amigos de la armónica, hello harmonica friends. I'm really happy and honored and pleased to be giving a workshop on Latin music on the diatonic harmonica at the prestigious Honor Harmonica Masters that take place in Trossingen from the 8th to the 12th of June. And in this workshop, first of all, we're gonna have a lot of partying because fiesta, you cannot keep it out of the Latin music. So we're gonna cover different styles like cumbia, habanera, and of course some Latin blues for the blues harp players in different positions. Norteña, and we're gonna be doing this, having a lot of fun. We see us at the fiesta.